Indonesia holds some glittering opportunities for Hong Kong companies, including TSL Jewellery. The industry-leading firm was among more than 190 exhibitors at the InStyle Hong Kong promotion organized by the HKTDC in September 2015. The event, which also featured a symposium on business services, allowed Hong Kong lifestyle products to shine, according to TSL Jewellery's Tommy Tse. He explained why the company is looking to ASEAN countries, including Indonesia, for new consumer markets.
We started the ASEAN market back in about 20 years ago, Malaysia as well as Taiwan. I think the Indonesian market gives us a very good opportunity, as we have learned that the population and the buying power of the Indonesian are quite strong. Especially we have friends in the jewelry industry doing export, and they have mentioned to us that they have gained some inroads into the Indonesian market. So I think this is the reason why we are teaming up with Hong Kong TDC. They're introducing the InStyle Hong Kong fair to us, and we're taking this opportunity to come here for the first time myself, to understand what the market is like, to do some market survey, to meet the customer, to learn the taste of the jewelry. We are optimistic after this 2 days meeting some of the clients and some business matching. It is something that we should seriously consider. Whether it is opening our own shop or a franchise or just a wholesale, getting an agent to sell our jewelry is something that we should consider. I think Hong Kong is a gateway to many different cultures, and has been a gateway to many different business relationships to many of the partners around the world. So these things help Hong Kong to be very adaptive to different styles. So I think bringing the foreign lifestyle into Indonesia, it could be interesting. One of the interesting things of the Indonesian market is their purchasing power. I think that there is a lot of wealth being trapped, stored in this country. The country is a big country. There's a lot of cities that are underdeveloped, and there are cities that are already well developed. Jakarta is the first city that we are here. Their purchasing power is very much something when we think about the jewelry, that we should be selling it to the Indonesians. If they are having a higher spending power, I think we would be tailoring our jewelry with a more of an upmarket, more of a design, one-of-a-kind pieces, more of a handmade products. I think that will be a much more appreciation, instead of going into a mass market to compete in cost, quality with the local jewelers. So the purchasing power would dictate what we can do. We are not talking about opening 20, 30, 50 shops here in Indonesia, but we want to get into the cream of the market. The people would appreciate what the real jewelry really is. So this is the strength of TSL.